2025, artificial intelligence isn't just shaping the future, it's creating opportunities today. Businesses across industries are racing to adopt AI tools to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth. And here's the exciting part. You can profit from this AI revolution. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketing agency, or a business professional, selling AI solutions is your gateway to a sustainable and lucrative income stream. Let us show you how. The global AI market is growing faster than ever. By 2030, it's projected to exceed $820 billion, and 2025 is shaping up to be the turning point. Companies are leveraging AI for automation, data-driven decision-making, and personalized customer interactions. But many businesses lack the expertise to implement these tools effectively. That's where you come in. By providing ready-made AI solutions, you can fill this gap and help businesses thrive while building a profitable career for yourself. Think about industries using AI. Retailers are using AI to create personalized shopping experiences. Healthcare providers are enhancing diagnostics and patient support with AI chatbots. Banks rely on AI for fraud detection and smarter investment tools. And in customer service, AI chatbots, like Potential's AI chatbot, are delivering instant 24/7 support. This demand isn't going away anytime soon, and the potential client base is massive. Now, let's talk about how you can tap into this booming market with Potential's AI suite. This comprehensive platform is designed to help businesses integrate cutting-edge AI solutions seamlessly. Here's what's included. AI chatbots for 24/7 customer support. AI Amplify program to upskill employees and boost productivity. A hub of AI tools tailored for entrepreneurs, marketing, sales, HR, and more. Custom AI platforms with personalized tools, expert coaches, and a dedicated dream team. Workflow automation to streamline operations and reduce costs. What's even better? You don't need to be an AI expert to sell these solutions. Our tools are user-friendly, scalable, and proven to drive results. So, how do you earn with Potential's AI suite? Here's the breakdown. Monthly retainer. Earn a fixed, consistent income for being part of our channel partner network. Generous commissions. Every deal you close adds to your earnings. No caps, just opportunities. Long-term relationships. By helping businesses succeed, you'll build partnerships that lead to repeat business and upgrades. Joining our program is simple and rewarding. Sign up, register to become a partner on our website. Master the suite. We provide training on how to sell and implement our solutions. Leverage your network. Identify potential clients in industries that benefit from AI. Hint, that's almost every industry. Close deals and earn. Present the suite, close sales, and start earning. Artificial intelligence isn't a trend, it's the future of business. In 2025, companies across sectors will see AI as indispensable. This universal demand means selling AI solutions isn't just a job, it's a career built on empowering businesses to thrive. You're not just selling tools, you're helping businesses. Reduce costs with automation. Deliver better customer experiences. Drive growth with data-driven insights. It's a win-win. You earn and your clients succeed. This is your year to capitalize on AI's explosive growth. By partnering with Potential, you gain access to the tools, training, and support needed to build a thriving AI business. Don't wait for the future, create it.